Has the power button on your Oppo A12 stopped working? Don't rush to take your phone in for repair. I'll show you how to restart and power off your phone without pressing the power button even once. It works every time. The only thing that might confuse you a little is that, depending on your Android version, some of your phone's settings may not look exactly the same as mine. But that's not a big deal. You'll quickly figure out where everything is and follow along without any problems.